Hey everyone, it's Leslie. Let's come down to our mat and get into our workout on the floor. Okay, so when you're ready, let's come to all fours. Wrists are gonna be in line with those shoulders, knees are gonna be in line with those hips. I want you to lift in through the belly, so find that core connection right off the top. Send one leg back, good. Send the opposite arm forward, good. Dropping that hip slightly, we're gonna lift to the sky, 2 counts. We're gonna go up for 2, then reach away from the body, bring it in for 2, right back down through center. Let's try that again. Lift for 2, good, reach. That's it, in, good, and down. So if this feels too unstable, option to always just simply drag the toe along the ground, right? Lift, good, keep pulling that belly in, good, and down. Let's take one more here, nice control, good, in and down. Let's take it all the way up to the top, find a little pulse, tiny little lift. So extended long through the toe, thumb up to the sky. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Great job. Let's come down onto one side of the body. Take it onto the forearm with elbow aligned with that shoulder. We're gonna come right up. Let's stack those hips. Option to keep bottom knee down on the floor, right? If we want more of a challenge, let's extend both legs long. Good, finding that balance, pressing down through the forearm, lifting in through the belly. We're gonna start with the arm nice and high, scooping down for 2 counts. So we go down and rotate and lift. So exhale, lower, and inhale, lift. Hips don't come with us, right? And lift, nice, find the breath. Remember, option to have that knee down, good, take it down. And lift, one more here. Good, let's hold high right at the top, little pulse up through the hips, lift. So feeling that oblique fire. That's it, keep reaching. Breathe for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Great job. I want you to come all the way down onto that hip and all the way down to your mat. Let's find our head rested on the hand. Draw the knees forward, 45 degrees in relation to those hips. Good. We're gonna connect the heels, connect the toes, lift in through the belly, pressing top hand down to the mat. We're gonna lift the top leg for 2 counts and then right back down with control. So we lift and squeeze and lower. Good. Exhale, hips are stacked. Inhale, lower. Good, up. Nice, and down. We have 2 more this pace. Squeeze with control. We lower with control. Last one here. Good, now we lift halfway up and down. Let's go. Halfway and lower down. A little faster this time. 1 count up, 1 count down. Good, are we still connected to the core, right? Belly should still be pulling in towards the spine for 4 more. 3, 2, good, all the way up at the top. Just hold and squeeze, 8. Good, keep squeezing. Nice, for 4, 3, we're gonna drop 1 inch and lift. So we go down 1 inch and lift. Top 1 inch of the range, lower, lift, that's it, really feeling that glute med fire. For 4, good, 3, keep squeezing, 2, get at the top, find a little pulse back. Tiny little movements, press, press. I know you're feeling the burn, I am, keep going. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Great job. If we need to, pull that knee forward, give a little massage to that glute, to that hip. Awesome job. When you're ready, pushing yourself up to a seated position, let's swing those legs around. We're coming back to all fours, working into the opposite side of the body. So again, let's find that good positioning with wrists aligned with those shoulders. We're going to extend long through the opposite leg. Good. Long through the opposite arm. Good, lifting in through the belly. Let's take it to that 4 count combo. Let's lift up for 2. Good, out to the side and in. You got it, right back down again, slow, lift. Good, so it's less about height and more about length, right, and control. That's it, keep going, lift. Take it out, in, good, and down. We have 2 more, let's go, take it up. Good, keep scooping belly in, good, and down. Last one here, lift. Find your breath. in. Good, let's go right back to the top. Find a little pulse. So again, finding length through that leg, squeezing into the glute, thumb pointing upwards. Good, let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Great job. If we need to, taking a quick child's pose, setting bum and hips back. Good. Let's bring it forward, down to the forearm, opposite side. Again, aligning elbow with shoulder. Good, keeping hips stacked. Let's lift the hips up to the sky. Option to be down on that bottom knee or both legs extended long. We're pulled in through the belly, starting from the top. 2 counts down. Let's go down for 2 and lift. Good, down and lift. Good, beautiful. So again, hips don't come with us, right? Good. And up, 1 more. Take it down. Good, holding at the top, little press of the hips to the sky. Good, really feeling that oblique turn on, lift and press. That's it. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release all the way down. Let's come right back down to our side. Good, drawing the knees forward. 45 degrees in relation to those hips. Connect the heels, connect those toes, pull the belly in. Let's take it up 2 counts, top leg. Up for 2 and down. Good. Nice, you got it. So trying again, not to roll into the back body. That's why those hips are stacked, right? You got it. Lower for 2. Exhale, lift. Good. We have 2 more. So squeezing as we lift, control as we lower. That's it. Good, this next one, halfway up, lower down. Good, we should be feeling all that fire, all that tension in the glutes. Hold it there and squeeze. Lift and lower, 4 more. Let's go for 4, 3, good, 2, all the way to the top. Hold and squeeze, 8 counts. Good, really feel that shake, feel that burn. Last 4, 3, we drop an inch and lift. Let's go, down an inch, lift. Down an inch, lift. Good, woo, there it is. Let's go, 4 more. Good, 3, 2, good, hold and squeeze, just hold and squeeze for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Bring that knee all the way forward. Give that glute, that hip a tiny massage. When you're ready, we're gonna flip over onto our backs. So all the way down on the mat, good. I want those palms to face out, reaching to the sides. We're lifted, scooped in through the belly, finding that nice neutral pelvis, lifting the knees up to a tabletop position. So knees stacked over top of hips. Good, we're gonna start by working through that right leg. It's 4 counts. We're gonna tap, lengthen, lift, bend again. Good, so scooping through the core as the leg draws back into center. Good, that's it. Tap, lengthen, lift, and then 2 more this side. Good, exhale, lift. Last 1. Good, take it over to the other side. Let's go, tap, lengthen, exhale, good, and bend. Good, keep going. Feeling all that fire in our lower abdomen. Tap, lengthen, lift, and bend 2 more here. Good, and then we take it up a notch. Last 1. Good, now both toes at the same time. I want you to slow it down. Good, lengthening, and then lifting back in towards center. The slower we go, the harder this becomes. So slow it right down. Let's make sure low back isn't lifting off the mat. If it's lifting, we're right back at tabletop. We're taking toe taps. Go to where we're back to that 4 count combo. Good, keep going. You have 8, 7, 6, and then we hold. 5, 4, 3, good, 2. When you're ready, find that extension, holding long. Good, you're in your own challenge zone. Maybe you drop those toes. Maybe you're at 45 degrees. Hold and breathe for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Awesome job all the way down. Hug the knees in towards center. If we need to, give ourselves a little rock side to side, releasing through the low back. Great work, everyone. That is your mat work for today. Good job.
Hey Barre babes, it's Ella here. I hope that you enjoyed that workout. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications on our next barre workout. See you soon.